Hi everybody. Many times After Effects crash down or your computer crash down and you haven't saved for a long time, and so you lose what you have done. And you have to repeat a lot of your work. It's so frustrating. So it's vital to set up autosave. Another benefit of setting up autosave is that you have various versions of your work, so you can go back to any point in your project and continue from it. Sometimes you make a mistake and you simply go to a previous point of your project and start again from it to fix this problem. This saves a lot of time. How can we make this? We can go to Edit, Preferences, and Autosave. Here I assign when After Effects Auto Save. I here made that every 20 minutes. And how many versions of the project I will save? I here made 25 version and every 20 minutes. I can make it for each 10 minutes is very okay. It depends on your personal preferences and on the project you are working on. And be careful while working, there will be a pop-up dialog that notify you that there will be auto-saving process happens. It's a very simple way but saves a lot of work, so please set up autosave to save your time. Thank you and see you next lesson.